So we're doing Unit 2C, and the first question, does it make sense if you complete the four-step problem-solving process carefully and thoroughly, then you will have no uncertainty about your final answer? Well, that doesn't make sense because these four-step problem-solving processes, or 3 steps, 5 steps, whatever, they're general advice. They're not specific to a given problem, so there's lots of room to go down the wrong road, so it doesn't make sense. Next, a traffic counter consists of a thin black tube stretched across a street or highway and connected to a brain box at the side of the road. The device registers one count each time a set of wheels, that is, the wheels on a single axle, rolls over the tube. A normal automobile, 2 axles, registers 2 counts, and a light truck, 3 axles, registers 3 counts. Suppose that during a 1-hour period, a particular counter registers 41 counts on a residential street on which only 2-axle vehicles, cars, and 3-axle vehicles, light trucks, are allowed. How many cars and light trucks passed over the traffic counter? Find all the possible solutions to the problem. Okay, well, consider this. We've got 2 axles, or 2 counts for an automobile, 3 counts for a truck, and the total amount of counts is 41 in this hour. So isolating 2A, we have 41 minus 3t, and isolating A, we have 41 minus 3t, that quantity, divided by 2. Now furthermore, you agree with this, if we multiply an odd number times an odd number, we get another odd number. Also, if you find the difference between 2 odd numbers, the result is even. For example, 15 minus 5 is 10, which is even. 9 minus 3 is 6, which is even, and so on. And since A is multiplied by 2, then to isolate A, we have to divide by 2, so whatever value we get in the numerator has to be even. So our only candidates for t are going to be odd because we have to subtract an odd from 41. So our odd numbers, we'll start with 1, and then let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. I think that will do it. And if we triple 1, we get 3. Triple 3, we get 9. Triple 5, we get 15. Triple 7, we get 21. 27, 33, 39. And if we have a number larger than 13, we'll have a product larger than 41. So we'll stop right there. Now 41 minus 3 is 38, and 38 divided by 2 is 19. So when t is 1 truck, we're going to have a corresponding 19 automobiles. 41 minus 9 is 32. 32 divided by 2 is 16. So if we have 3 trucks, we're going to have 16 automobiles. Let's continue on. 41 minus 15 is 26, and 26 divided by 2 is 13. So when there's 5 trucks, there'll be 13 automobiles, will give us the appropriate count of 41. Now, 41 minus 21 is 20, and 20 divided by 2 is 10. 41 minus 27, oh boy, that's going to be 13, 14, isn't it? 14 divided by 2 is 7. Now 41 minus 33, that's going to be 8. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then 41 minus 39 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So what we needed was how many cars and light trucks passed over the traffic counter. Find all possible solutions. Well, the possible solutions are for trucks and automobiles. When there's one truck, there's 19 automobiles. 3 trucks, there's 16 automobiles. 5 trucks, we've got 13 automobiles. 7 trucks, 10 automobiles. 9 trucks, 7 automobiles. 11 trucks, 4 automobiles. And 13 trucks, 1 automobile. And there's our solution. Now, number 3. Suppose that you have 10 white socks and 6 black socks in a clothes drawer. How many socks must you withdraw from the dryer, or they're in the dryer, without looking to be certain of having a pair of white socks? Well, so we've got this dryer here. Okay. And in the dryer we have 6 whites. I beg your pardon. We have 10 socks. 6 black socks and 8 excuse me. How many socks must we withdraw to be certain of having a pair of white socks? And so we have 4 white socks. What if our first 6 times we reach in, we pull out a black sock each time? So now we have 6 black socks out here. How many more times would we have to reach into this dryer to be sure of having at least 1 pair of white socks? Well, we'd have to reach in there at least 2 more times, and we'd get 2 white socks, which is 1 pair. So we'd have to reach into the dryer 8 times in order to guarantee that we had withdrawn 2 white socks. And we'll stop here.